Hi all, this is a quick dive into the penetration testing database I have designed. The penetration testing database helps organize, track, and manage data related to security assessments and penetration tests within an organization. The database is structured into several key components: projects, testers, vulnerabilities, tests, findings, remediation steps, reports, and tools. Let us see a few examples of our ER diagram. A pen testing project can have 0 to many tests. 0, if no tests have been conducted for the project yet, and many if multiple tests have been conducted within the scope of the project. Each test is associated with one and only one project. A pen test is associated with 0 to many findings. 0, if no vulnerabilities were found during the test, and many if the test revealed multiple vulnerabilities. Now, let's explore a few examples of schema I've designed. To represent a table for storing information about each penetration testing project, I use the following SQL command. All columns in the projects table are required and should have the not null constraint applied. To represent a table for storing profiles of individuals performing the tests, I use the following SQL command. Again, all columns in this table are required, and therefore I add the not null constraint. Now let's look at some examples of CRUD operations that a user should be able to perform using my database. Let's say a user wants to find all high-severity findings from a specific project. He might use the following clause to do so. A user can add a new project to the projects table by using the following clause. When a user wants to update the status of a specific project, he can do so as well. Finally, if a test was mistakenly added or is no longer relevant, and we know it's tested, a user can delete a specific record. I created an index on the project ID field in the tests table to optimize querying for all tests linked to a specific project and improved lookup speed by creating an index on the name column in the testers table. I have created a view to simplify testers' report on vulnerabilities, which includes details from projects, tests, findings, and vulnerabilities tables. There are few limitations of this database. One being its design, which primarily focuses on technical aspects and may lack support for key collaborative features such as real-time sharing, communication tools, or access control for team roles, which are essential in today's security assessments.